There comes a moment when love is no longer enough. When apologies arrive too late. When silence is more violent than screams. And in the ruins of betrayal, only one woman walks away whole. And it's never the one who begged to stay, asterisk the house. Was quiet, like a graveyard after the mourners leave. Sayuri hadn't spoken a word since I left. But I hadn't gone far. I stayed in a hotel down the road, just close enough to feel the tension bleeding through the city. My phone was full of messages from Ryota. Please meet me. She's not speaking to me. I don't know what to do. I didn't reply. Not yet. He needed to sweat. They both did, asterisk on the third night, Sayuri called. Her voice was hoarse. He left. I froze. Where did he go? I don't know, she whispered. Maybe to you. She paused. Take him, Ami. If you want him that badly, take him. But that wasn't surrender. It was strategy. I could feel it. Sayuri didn't give up. She circled. She waited. She let you believe you'd won, then she took everything you loved, and now she had nothing left to lose, asterisk he came to me. Dripping with regret, with chaos in his eyes, I told her the truth, he said. All of it. He took my hands. I never should have married her. I lied to myself, to you, to everyone. I searched his face. Why now? Because I'm done pretending. I want you. But something in me broke. The version of him I loved was from before the wedding. Before the lies. Before he shattered my sister. You want to be forgiven, I said. But you haven't earned it. He stepped back, hurt. You chose safety. You chose her. And now that everything's burning, you run to me? Asterisk a letter arrived at my door. The next morning. No return name. But the handwriting was unmistakable. Sayuri's. Ami, you always had the prettier smile. The softer voice. The daring heart. And still, I was the one who wore the white dress. You hated that, didn't you? He never loved me. I know that now. But he never truly loved you either. He loved who he thought you were. And when that illusion fades, he'll leave again. I won't be here to see it. Sayuri asterisk I rushed to her apartment. Doors unlocked. Lights off. Silenced I in her bedroom, I found her alive, but empty. She stared at the ceiling like it was a sky she'd never touch again. She spoke without looking at me. I didn't take pills. Not yet. I sat beside her, tears burning my eyes. Why are you doing this? She turned slowly, her voice like ice, because no one ever chose me. Not you. Not him. Not even our parents. I touched her hand. Sayuri, she pulled away. You were always the story. I was just background. And then she cried real. Raw, like the child she used to be when I left her behind. Weeks passed, Ryota moved into a small apartment downtown. He kept calling. But I didn't answer. Sayuri returned to our parents' house. She started therapy. We didn't speak. But once, I saw her across the street. She didn't wave. I didn't either, because sometimes forgiveness isn't spoken. It's lived. One night, Ryota waited outside the restaurant where I worked. He looked tired. Thin. Older. I thought I could fix everything, he said. But I only broke more. He handed me a ring box. I bought this before the wedding, for you. I opened it. It sparkled under the streetlight. But it felt cold in my hand. You always said you'd fight for me, I whispered. And I did, he replied. I shook my head. No. You didn't fight. You hesitated. And in love, hesitation is betrayal. I gave the box back. He didn't follow me this time. They say blood is thicker than water. But betrayal is thicker than both. I lost my sister. I lost the man I once loved. But I found something else. Myself. And in the ruins of our war, I realized I never wanted what she had. I only wanted to be seen. And now, I finally am. The story is over. But some feelings never fade. What did this series make you feel? Tell us in the comments. Tap like and share with someone who's ever loved in silence.